Good evening, parents. This is Mr. Rondone. Welcome to Open House, what we make of it now with the videos. Just want to go through some of the important things that you'll probably want to know to make this year a very successful year for both myself and your student. So let's go ahead and get rolling. First off, you probably want to take my email address. If there's ever any questions or anything you want to let me know, go ahead and email me. I don't have a phone at the moment. My phone currently goes to a different room, so they haven't got that set up yet. So if you would like to have a phone call, we can email me and we can set it up so that we can have that chat. If not, we can resolve things through email. I do check that right when I get here in the morning, and throughout the day, so we can go ahead and resolve things like that. So if you just want to check up on your student, you want to let me know something's coming up, anything like that, there is my email. If I ever need to get into contact with you, I'll either use the information that you have left me through email, if you decide to leave that there, or I will use Skyward to get a hold of you. I also left my room number up there because I am on campus, and once they allow visitors, if you're ever on campus, want to come say hi, or just want to come check in, come on in. I'll be here just to chat it up, and we can talk about your student. So as far as my digital classroom goes, once you visited Canvas, if you have access to Canvas, it's going to be great because you can check on your student's grade. I do update it daily, so that's where you're going to find assignments and grades, that kind of stuff. The first thing tab up there, about my course, just has our syllabus in there. It has the breakdown of percentages for quiz, tests, assignments, all that kind of stuff. To the left, you see the assignments and due dates. With the assignments and due dates, that's where the kids are going to see their assignments and the due dates that are for them. They'll see past assignments, upcoming assignments, all that. They will also be submitting all of their homework through that tab. I will not be collecting any assignments in class, so everything will be through Canvas. So we want to make sure that your students are fluent with the Canvas app or website. To the right of that, you'll see additional resources. I put up how to change homework to a PDF since that's how they're going to submit it. I've got some other tutoring ideas up there, some YouTube help for Calc kids, that kind of stuff. And then right below that, if they ever forget how to contact me, you click on that, that leads you to my email. And again, you could, if you have any issues or they have any issues, they can email me through that. There also is an email tab through Canvas, so you could use that as well, whatever they feel comfortable with. So this year I am teaching Calc and Trig. So both classes are honors courses. So you've got to think that we are going to have some honors level material in there. So I do design my course to prepare them for the next level. So if they are seniors, they'll be ready for their post-secondary work. And if they're juniors and plan on taking another class on campus next year or off campus, they will be ready for that as well. Especially my calc course, I do prepare them for the AP and the college calculus class. So day to day, I will be giving out notes to the students mostly every day, or they'll have some sort of assignment in class. So we want to make sure that the kids are prepared, bringing something to write with. I do ask that they write in pencil because we do make a lot of mistakes, and we want to make sure we can erase them and it doesn't get too hectic on their paper. The major thing right now, I think, is a calculator. Through the first 2 weeks, a lot of kids not having their calculators really put them kind of in trouble. And we've had a couple tests, and we're going to have a couple tests coming up. Make sure that they're bringing their calculators so they are prepared for that test. All right, and the homework, I'm going to give them homework almost every day. So as long as we're doing something new, we are going to get some homework. The only days they won't have homework will be test days, quiz days, that kind of stuff. We do use homework so that we can prepare them, like practice for their tests and quizzes. So we want to make sure they're taking that seriously. So quizzes and tests, most of my quizzes and tests will be in person. I do have a few that will be online, can take it on Canvas, but most of them will be in class. So again, that calculator is important for that. If the student does miss, they can come in before or after school to make up their tests. I will be here in the mornings around 7 o'clock, but if your kid needs to come in and make up a test, I will show up early if they let me know that I'll be here. And then I'm always here after school waiting around for 15 minutes. So again, if they wanted some extra time, they could come in or let me know they're coming and we can get it done. Also, before and after school, I do offer tutoring. So if they're struggling or just want some extra practice, they can come in and I can get them whatever they need. Again, same times. If they want to come in early, they just can email me or let me know the day before or the day of that they're coming before or after. And I will be here for them and we can get tutoring done. There is also a club on campus that does peer tutoring, so student to student. That is the Mu Alpha Theta group, and they will be in Building 1 in Ms. Griesmer's classroom starting in September for Tuesdays and Thursdays for 1 hour after school. And again, that's just going to be peer-to-peer help with math. So that'll be great for them if they need it. And again, that'll start in September. I'll have a flyer up in my room so the kids will know about it. And then I'll put it up on the Canvas page as well so they can remember about that too. So if you've got any questions for me about this or about what's coming up this year, shoot me an email, let me know. If we need to talk on the phone, we can set up a time that works for both of us. I look forward to having a great year. I'm excited about having the kids back in class. I'm excited just to be, back on campus with the kids, seeing their beautiful faces and all that stuff. So it's going to be great. So if you got any other questions, shoot me an email and we'll get it figured out. Have a great night.